Hi everyone, this is Marusha Murphy here, and I'm really glad to see you over video. I know it's been quite a bit of time. I haven't been on video, maybe about 2 months or so. And I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that I've been going through a little bit of a struggle. It's true. I did go through a struggle. It's a part of life, right? Well, here's what's been going on for me. For many of you, you know me because I am the founder of Mompreneur.com, the place that I created because mom entrepreneurs with millionaire mindsets really need to find support with each other. They need to find a place where they can be, where they can really grow and partner with amazing other people to move their business beyond where it is today. We do marketing and we do strategizing, and I'm going to be introducing a new aspect of the community in May, and I'm really excited about it. But what many of you all don't know is that over the past year I've also started and have been very successful in another business. And many people, about 30,000 people have listened to me be the primary hostess and interviewer for telesummitevents.com, where I partnered with David Fry of Marketing Best Practices and am the voice and the person who gets to interview best-selling authors and speakers and marketing gurus and consultants and coaches. It's a really, really fun job. And what's happened from that initial client that I've had, is I've created an entire business working with other small businesses, with entrepreneurs, on how to really find that expert status within themselves, within yourself, and really learn how you can market it, like through different types of products, whether it's interviews, doing the interviews or being interviewed, creating blog posts about what you're doing, using video, creating ebooks, creating physical books. There's so many ways to get your expertise out there and get known in your industry. And I've been very successfully doing that with my clients on that end. So why does this relate to you, and why does this even relate to the fact that I haven't done video? Well, a couple of reasons. One, for the first time ever, I'm starting to realize that I can't keep living two separate lives. You know, there was a day recently where I came undone. I really did come undone. I realized that I was doing so much for both businesses, and I couldn't necessarily tell my clients in one business about the other one. For some reason, I was having this weird moment, right, of doing that. Then I finally realized, saying, what am I doing? And after talking with people that I trust and that support me as a business owner, I realized these two businesses go hand in hand with each other, and I am doing a disservice to myself and, even more importantly, to my clients by not showing them the fullness of who I am as a mother entrepreneur and the CEO of Instant Expert Branding. I am doing myself a disservice. I'm doing my clients a disservice, because mom entrepreneurs absolutely need these strategies that I'm doing, and to learn from all of what I've been doing in Instant Expert Branding, and vice versa. My clients in Instant Expert Branding really need to grow from the experiences I've had in coaching and consulting with mom entrepreneurs. Duh. And so I'm telling you this because I think I have a feeling that many of you have been in that space, or are in that space, where you're feeling like you're living two different lives, whether it's a personal life and a professional life, and they're not jiving, or it's having two professional lives, or it's having, feeling like one is overtaking the other. And I want you to realize that you can make it work. It's a matter of having, as my really dear friend, my very dear friend Lolly Daskell puts it, having a courageous conversation within yourself. Having that conversation that's a little bit risky, a little bit kind of scary to even think about having this conversation, and really diving into some of your own thoughts about what you're doing in your life, why you're doing it, and how you can really bring these lives together, these moments, these pieces together. And of course, if you ever need someone to connect with and have this courageous conversation, as Lolly calls it, I'd be glad to be here for you and answer any questions that you have. And if you're not already connected to me on Twitter, my name on Twitter is just my name, Marusha Murphy, Maruxa Murphy, M-U-R-P-H-Y, Marisha Murphy, and I would love to get to know you, get to know what it is about these two worlds that are not jiving for you, and if there are things I can support you in, answer any questions that you might have, I'd be glad to. Because I know how powerful this moment, these questions have been for me when others ask me that. So, contact me, let me know how you're doing, let me know what you think about this video, and if you think this is worth passing on, do it. I wish you a phenomenal day, and I wish you continued success in your journey. Bye now.